Many people are making hundreds of dollars from watching TikTok and Instagram videos, and you too can make so much money just watching TikTok videos. All you will need to do is to sign up on the website I will be revealing in this video. Relax and begin to watch TikTok videos and boom, money gets deposited in your account. Wow, that is making money while enjoying your favorite social media platform. I guess you feel excited to know how you will earn money from watching short videos from social media platform. You can make lots of money with this brand new way of making money I will be showing you in this video. Before we get started, welcome to Online Bucks, where we teach you how to make money easily and legitimately. Please give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified on more money making videos. This new method does not require any financial investment and does not require any special gadget. All you need to get started is your phone and internet connection. It will also work for you wherever you are from around the world. Again, you don't need any experience or special expertise to make money from this method that I will be showing you in this video. If you know how to click on your phone, then you are ready to start making money. Now the first thing you need to have handy is your PayPal account. If you don't have one, you visit paypal.com and sign up for one. It is free to sign up. All you need is your bank card to set up your PayPal account to receive payments. After setting your PayPal account, I will like you to visit this website, Respondent.io. Here at the home page, you can see that they are a research website. They connect researchers with respondents. I am guessing now you are trying to ask or figure out, how do I connect a research website with watching TikTok videos? Please keep watching this video to the end, and you will find out the connection. There are great opportunities to make money on this website, and I will be showing you all the methods of making money on this website. As you can see here, the opportunity is open to both professionals and the general public. As I said earlier, you don't need any special expertise to earn money from this website. These are examples of respondents earning thousands of dollars from this website, and you too should not be left out of this online money. The interesting thing about this is that you get to register for this website free. As they do different kinds of researches on this website, sure they will be looking for respondents for their research projects. These includes product research, exploration research, competitive analysis, business research, consumers research, personal research. Now this is how it works on this website. Researchers post projects. Responders like you will be contacted. You will respond through calls, video calls, in person, and discussions, and even through email. When you accept and conclude the task, you will receive payment immediately from the researcher in your account. This is an exciting time, I tell you. If you perform well, the researcher will keep you in their contacts for future job opportunities. And you will be able to get more and more jobs to make more money from this website. Now how about that? Making money on and on again from just one website. Now, the reason you will keep getting more jobs from this website is the fact that researchers will be patronizing this website because it is cheaper for them to hire you than to hire someone else from the marketplace. That way the researchers get cheaper labor, and the respondent like you gets more opportunities and make more money. A win-win situation. Now, what makes a website or platform legit is the type of brands that visit and patronize such a platform. As you can see from here, top brands like Intercom, Oracle, Dropbox, IBM, Intuit, GoDaddy, and even Microsoft patronizes their website. This means that you may be getting some short jobs from Microsoft on this website and earn more money. This is an exciting opportunity that you should grab fast and not let it slip from your hands. You need to keep watching this video, as I will show you how you can use this website to earn money in hundreds to thousands of dollars watching TikTok or Instagram videos in a moment. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified of more money-making videos. Now, if you want to know how you will be able to use this website to get jobs that will let you earn thousands of dollars watching TikTok videos, you will need to follow this step to the end to find out. First, come to the top right corner of the home page and click on Get Started. You will then see this options: Researcher Sign Up and Participant Sign Up. You will click on Participant Sign Up, and you will be taken to this sign up page here. And all you need to do to get sign up is your first name, your last name, and email. After you sign up, you will receive a confirmation email in your inbox, which you will use to confirm your registration, and then be taken to your profile page, where you fill in all other relevant details, and your payment details to receive payments. Then, you are ready to start getting jobs and earning money. Now, let's see some of the jobs that are available for you today. And how much you can earn from doing such simple tasks. As you can see here, these are some of the tasks available at the moment for you to apply. This one here was posted 26 minutes ago, and another one here, 26 minutes ago, and more. They are all fresh jobs for you to try. There are 288 jobs available today, and each of these jobs have hundreds to thousands of openings, increasing the chances of getting job from this website. Now for the job of watching TikTok videos. I promised you from the beginning of this video. All you need is to scroll down here and voila, here it is. Now, you will to apply for these projects to watch short videos on TikTok or Instagram Reels, and you will be able to earn hundreds of dollars. That is, you can earn $100 today watching TikTok videos from one handle and watch another, and another, and another. These are TikTok videos that you can just climb your bed to watch, relax yourself as you watch more. You make more money. If you can apply for 5 of these jobs and watch all their videos, you will earn $100 times 5, which is equal $500 every day. Now, if you have watched this video to this stage, it means you like this video. Please go ahead and hit the like button if you have not have done so already. Make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell for money making videos. Keep making money online today. Ciao.